This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Check the device and any account hints you already have, because concrete clues speed this up. Open Settings and tap your name. If signed in, you see the Apple ID email. If not signed in, check Mail, Messages, or Family Sharing on any linked device to surface likely Apple ID addresses. Once you find candidate emails, make a short list and confirm which one matches purchase receipts or app registrations, since matching records prove which Icloud account belongs to you. Next, you take control, go to iForget. Apple.com and enter the candidate Apple ID to initiate password recovery. This tells you whether the address is an active iCloud account. If two-factor is enabled, approve the sign-in on a trusted device or use your recovery key. These steps confirm identity and protect access. Once signed in, inspect iCloud.com, look at mail, photos, contacts, and device list, because seeing familiar content proves the account is yours and reveals what data is stored. Finish by securing and syncing. Sign into the confirmed iCloud account on your device, enable iCloud backup, and toggle sync for photos, contacts, and other apps you need. Make sure to change the password, remove unknown devices, and enable two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts. If verification fails because you lack trusted devices or a recovery key, start account recovery. It can take days, or contact Apple support with proof of purchase. That path helps when standard verification is impossible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.